Well, hello everybody. I have a new product today that I'm going to install in my home, and it's a really simple one, I hope. So I'm going to install a new wall plug to replace my older one. So what's happening, if anybody has been following me, I've decided to go all in on Home Assistant. And what I found is that my Wyze products don't play nice with Home Assistant. So I'm in a process of changing my Wyze cameras to Tapo, and so far it's worked really well, to be honest with you. And so the next step is I'm going to take a look at these wall plugs. So this is my current Wyze wall plug here, and I am replacing it with a Tapo plug here. I think you could see that there's a significant improvement in size. So I got this particular plug from Walmart. It showed on sale for $10, and of course it's called a mini, as you could see. This uses Matter, and what's good about that is I have an Eero mesh system, which includes Matter, so I didn't have to buy a new anything. I just used my existing mesh network. So if you follow along with me, we're going to go ahead and we're going to set this up in hopefully a very short time and show it to you. All right, here we go. I have opened the Tapo app, and now I'm going to, yes, as usual, I did not read the instructions. I'll press the plus sign. Now we're going to add a device. It is a Tapo device. Let me look here and see. Here's a plug. That's exactly what I have. And it plug, I think, is a one. It is a PW15. So here in the bottom is my PW15. I will click that. I have plugged it in. It is orange and blue. So I will tap that. Enable Bluetooth. And I do have Bluetooth on. I am going to allow. It's looking for the device. Fingers are crossed that it's going to find it. Found it. So now it'll search for the network. And what's going to happen is Tapo should show up from what I remember from the cameras. So somewhere in here. All right, so I found my network. I clicked on it, made sure the password was in. And there's the device name. Now I'm going to change that because I'm going to name this breakfast because it's going to run my breakfast machine. Next. It is going to go in the kitchen. Next. I always like it when it's looking for an icon. So I'm going to use this icon here. Next. So I'm going to check firmware. Up to date already. Sounds good. Got it. And here it is. So this is really good news, is that's done. But now stay with me for part 2, which is going to be Home Assistant. It is now time to move the plug to Home Assistant. So this is my Home Assistant. And over here, it says kitchen, bathroom. I don't know if you could tell, but the breakfast is grayed out. And it's grayed out because I've taken it off. So I am going to go to settings. By the way, I just had an update on Z-Wave. So this is, as best I could see, kind of a nothing. Anyway, let's go ahead in settings, and I'm going to add a device. And it's a Matter device. And as you can see, there's Matter, and I already have 3 devices. So I'm going to go here, and it says add a device. No, it's new. So what it's really telling me is I have to add this with my phone. So I'm going to go do that. So let me do it, and I'll let you know as I do it. So I'm on the Home Companion app. So I did the same thing on my phone as I did right here. And now it wants me to scan it. It appears it found the plug already. I don't know if you saw that, but as it was happening, There it is. The plug has shown up. So I'm going to tap done on my phone. And it is now a part of Home Assistant. So let me show you a few things here. First of all, I am going to change the name of it to breakfast. And again, the area is kitchen. I always forget it's in alphabetical order. I'm going to update. Okay, so here it is now under breakfast. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my dashboard, and here it is. And I'm going to edit my dashboard. I'm going to do two things here. All right, I'm going to delete the old one. I'm going to add the new one. And the new one is simple because it's Switch Mini. I have added it. I'm going to save it. And here it is. So let me show it to you. Right now it's off. I'll turn it on. So it's just a plug, on, off. Show you a little bit about the device itself. Again, every single device, no matter how big or how small, has this. Again, it's a Matter device. You can see it right here. I called it breakfast, and it shows the activity. So I just turned it on right now. And for the time being, that is all I've got. But what I really wanted to show you is how simple it is to set up on both the Tapo app and using Matter on my home assistant. So there we go. We have another new device, and I'm going to migrate two Tapo switches and replace the ones that I currently have. After that, we'll go to light bulbs.